Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Very excited to look at some kids masks today, including the really? That's like, you can't, can I buy a vowel? Like, I'm gonna call this the cat keyboard brand because that's what they used, was a cat who jumped on a keyboard. Let's put it in the clamper. Jesus, just look at, like, literally, this is not a joke. They printed at least 50,000 boxes with that name on it. Maybe it's an acronym. Maybe, dude, this is exactly like the Deja Las Vegas masks. It's the exact same packaging. Look at this. We just tested these. Deja Las Vegas. We'll put a link to that video. But look at this. Oh, this is 4 layers of protection. 3 layers of protection, 4 layers of protection. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. It's even using the same font, just in lowercase. Look at, same. Well, I think I know how these are going to do. The last ones failed the American standard. I'm going to open it that way. Yeah, these are the same masks. All right, let's open this up. Literally the same mask. So the last one did, well, I mean, I just did the test, so it'll be interesting because that's the test. 89%. That's what, spoiler alert. I've never had that happen before. I mean, oftentimes we'll get like the same box, different brand name. So funny in this case that it was back to back. Good clamp. And we'll let her rip. This is a PFE machine. Deja vu, Deja Las Vegas. PFE machine, we're doing particulate filtration test, holding these masks to the American ASTM standard, even though using the Chinese standard. The problem is that this standard, what is it? I always forget the GB 32610 standard has like 7 different substandards, and they're not saying which one it is, so I can't really hold them to the standard. So last time I put this on, it was very interesting because I was like doing this and like they were falling apart. Actually, this one's not doing it. That's interesting. Every single one of the Deja Las Vegas masks, I mean, but I'm really pulling on that. Not as bad as Deja Las Vegas. Sorry, Elvis. Do the smell. Very similar. Very similar. I'm going to call this smell Deja Vu, because I've seen it before. Making any claims on here? Cat keyboard, mask for boys, girls, indoor, outdoor. The other one is for teens. Yeah, here it is. The other one is for a small teen or woman or kids. Oh, it says it has 4 layers. Oh, I doubt it. I doubt it, but let's try. Selling you an extra layer here. Is it more expensive? So this one is $20, and then, oops, Deja Las Vegas is $12. Oh yeah, it's a lot more expensive. So you're really paying for that extra layer. What are you getting for the extra layer? If there is indeed an extra layer. Probably nothing. Probably an extra layer of spun bond. I'll do it this way. All right, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Extra layer of spun bond. Spun bond, polypropylene. That protects moisture from coming into the mask. Then you have a second layer of spun bond polypropylene, which makes you pay an extra $8 on Amazon. That's literally it. Like, it does nothing. If you have 1 layer of spun bond, it does nothing to have another layer of spun bond. So whoa, black melt blown. I've heard about this. So melt blown is usually white, and when you add a dye to it, it actually changes the properties of it, which makes sense. And then spun bond is the last layer. So you're paying for an extra layer for no reason, just so you know. Just total marketing, totally useless. Don't buy that for any reason. But it is very interesting because $89.89. So literally the exact same. You're paying $8 more for nothing. We are just solving mysteries here, aren't we? Yeah. Thanks for coming on this journey. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, What most YouTubers would say right now is, I would like to get it's like a social exchange. It's like, I made the video, I bought the lab, I put the lights up, right? Yeah, there's lights, because I'm vain, super vain. I did my hair. I would have done it anyway. Again, vain. What I want from you is a like and subscribe. That's what YouTubers would say. That's what they say. But not me, not this YouTuber. No, no sir, no ma'am. No, instead, I'm going to ask you for something else, and I'm going to give you something in return. And that is a comment. If you've seen this video in the first 24 hours, give me a comment, and we're gonna reward those folks who do comments. We're gonna pick someone at random from the list below, and I'm gonna put a link up there that explains what we're doing. But it's pretty cool. I'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. regularly scheduled, another mass test. We're doing them every day for the rest of the year. I'll catch you on that test.